Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Nitrous acid and ammonia are mixing together in this solution, and we need to find the correct BrÄ nsted-Lowry acid-base pair. Let's solve this fast. First, identify the proton donor in the reaction. Nitrous acid, or HNO2, gives up a hydrogen ion to the ammonia molecule. This makes nitrous acid the BrÄ nsted-Lowry acid in our mixture. Next, remember that a conjugate acid-base pair consists of two species that differ by exactly one proton. When nitrous acid loses its proton, it transforms into the nitrite ion, NO2-.
Finally, HNO2 and NO2- form the perfect pair. This matches option B exactly. You mastered this chemistry concept with ease. Great job!
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.